Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. Here are the headlines. Voice of the People Party sweeps the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, secures 17 out of 29 seats. The National People Party emerges as the single largest party in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, securing 13 out of the 29 seats. Fifteen sitting MDCs taste defeat in the KHADC and the JHADC polls, only 4 re-elected. Women representation in the KHADC and JHADC gets boost, 7 women candidates out of 19 elected. The news in detail. The Voice of the People Party swept the election to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The party secured 17 seats out of the 29 seats in the council. The party secured the highest of 17,000 votes in Meghalaya constituency. Meanwhile, the performance of MDA partners, the National People Party, United Democratic Party and the HSPDP remained dismal, with NPP only securing 4 seats, UDP 5 and HSPDP 1 seat. 2 independent candidates from Laban and Rambrai Jirangam constituency also won. The BJP and Kanam drew blank. The declaration of the result witnessed all-out celebration in the streets as the winning candidates rushed to their supporters.
Ya kecing setang ni cuki banyak sesuatu yang mau berkonstruksi cuki ban senutu kedai baik nanti kena ke MP election ya keba ladeng kena dok tu kapor kecing tray cuki keba tangkan dia kadang cuki BP reiki ai dok kapor keba arko ada jatam untuk ke MP election bangga semua bahkan ni ka dia kecing setang cuki kecing senutu cuki baik ba bangga semua ai keburung kebakram keba cuki baik keba ngelak macam
nah kalian juga ngam dan buit ngam dan gay pat tang kecing Komo ngala rai na dong ngasang manmi mangarai ta kejinget ngele ta kejinget ngayai ta kejinget aswa bangan mi ni ngalik si meeting ro ngabo ta kejing doai pa hado menta sngi ro nganget hi bak ditang gabut ka ba gabang ngala mi thok lang ba ditang kejinget ka bang ngala ai tilut baro na ka menta ka kam so boleh bodo boleh wala asai ka ni ka lenti ka bang ngan kit kelengkot bangai do nai ka jing start bang ngala belong tau MDC malak kit kelengkot
kadi jing job pai ba jong constituency ng kamai but jingya jadi kejungi kadang sedang ni syakmat di kemen bet jaga babha but ingat scam du ba kom bagi la imi benile election la du sedang kabor du jing doi in ikut du kata jingya daga board ke ba oblay ula ai operation board ni
tap da kejing sukmen nomor ba hakade kasni kombangi trang ba kejing kala kan wandur hakade ka ri kasi ko bi kejungi mantaru hakade kanti da kejing job don pom jak parti kejungi nagade ka dong ka thajungi na ma cross constituency kada kejing job jong pai ba bat gi khmil ti ko pai ba angnut kermen ya kejing kala lengba jo kada kejing job jak parti kejungi ni kermen scam in poi be kata ka thong ka pai ba urlong ta ka long ba in yo ya ka sansar ka khadar ka khoi ka suba ka sansar ka khadar le se ka ban long jing ka khu ya bar olang kham ta ma pengil po district council in wara in perthlani ki an pala don pa dan wara ki an ban perskem syu ya kejing trai jugi ka khendau ka siap ya ka khai ka pateng batik ni ka spa ko boleh ul ai ya ka negeri ka bi ka jungi
ka badai banya thau isi ne bagi perkat kumat kata ngai register dengan parti in se don hi meeting ne baka parti kan ses design haga election te ki ba thau ki ba kunut ki dan bi ki thau ma te kata pa ka shon karaju padba ki la bishar kan start padba jo no presidency ba de parti bi kata te kila ban ni peji de mal jong lo ban lo presidency kadau ba hi te di baki padba la pai kmat cha voice of the party kawai hi badai banjir mi pa bentrei runti babet bahok banai sya kata sekri ke ba biang tam nam tan padba kum ka mat benikong hite kan kebala te ne kalian junga hite kan pa banai be ke sekri ke babha ko bet bahok bet nam tan padba ta ha jini lam jong ba adan kan parti de ke biang tam mat junga te kan runti junga ke biang tam
ina don pa ka cungkeman ba ka cung brainstorm dekat parti
kinonam cukup parti dan persen barang bak cukup parti kinonam baro bakun cu ya cingdon dekat congi kami dalam cumi bak aja serban iladon cikuman panaduk ban kong kesini untuk boy satu kedau bak kedai halo ka nong le mencoba parti keba nina lech mereka yang bagi house dan bagi ni house ni ceni wi bagi pai bak na mau kuning maka sokan konstitusi ki ai ke cina ki pai mat so parti halo ka nong le ni lagi bagi house ni election akan sibun bak kimat kum ke parti kum ke tong lech pai bak di bagi election MC bak ke bak mak tolong bangun bak ila sosial kerap koi
Habang kinajit ba dapat sila yang kesan tinggi baru kasi kam tu itu bangun keren itu manusia itu yang mati melihat baik
te kalentihi kalong ba kabah khmat tam hi kumbu nomi khmat kum emily kathong hi kalong ba ngan haban trestom nak benta kumlo ban la ban wara iki jingmentoy nak benta kipai ba aka konsensi ka jungi kata gede kathong kabah khmat tam kabah nak leng junga kumbu nomi khmat namar kipai ba ki ai ki jingsania ibu ya ka ki ai ka jingit bat ki bu ya ka jingsania hanong mikmat.
In JHADC, the National People Party emerged as the single largest party, securing 13 out of the 29 seats. The NPP gained 8 seats in the West Jaintia Hills district, including one from War West in the Amla Rem subdivision and 4 seats in the East Jaintia Hills district. The VPP, a newcomer to the district election, opened its account with 8 seats, potentially making the JHADC have a stronger opposition in the council. The Indian National Congress Party managed to secure 3 seats, with 2 from West Jaintia Hills district and 1 from East Jaintia Hills district. 2 independent candidates from Jowai South and Ri-Bhoi also won. The NPP is holding a meeting with its MDCs and MDA coalition partners to stake claim and form the NPP-led Executive Council in the JHADC.
Nos commerces extérieurs, qui non fonctionnent dans la forme de cette psychopathie, you are extérieurs comme comme qui non percaya negeri konstitusi, sudah kreatif sepenuhnya dengan negeri tak mikro juga operasi dari negeri history dokter di mana Japa is the electoral district negeri yang dengan harga kawasan sebagai janji autonomous district council.
Konstitusi sudah terlibat sudah kreatif aku berjok jana kam gadisi yoki. Kalau itu proses ini ibu beli produk baru yang betul aku berjok jana kam MDC yoki.
Wayau Malaysia Bhana dan Minister boleh kita cakap dulu purainya dari depan.
Cakap mulai sepangnya kita kerjaan muram juga. Kita kerjaan juga muram juga. Pada kreasi tam di kapal ini kapal. Lalu kita kami lalu kita masa kita jual.
Jual masuk. Itu beli orang jual dari desktop ini jual saja. Perempuan ke ini aku borong. Perempuan dari beli warung tak ada dia sudah. Sudah ada lagi jual dalam pandemi. Baik tempau ini sama di non favore della driver company in this smart
The Voice of the People Party make a significant impact in Ri-Bhoi district, securing victory in 3 out of the 5 constituency, while the National People's Party retained 2. The unexpected wins for VPP can be attributed to a strong wave of support and silent voters who influenced the outcome. VPP candidates emerged victorious in Mawati, Umsning and Umroi, while NPP secured Nongpo and Jirang. The unexpected victories for VPP in Ri-Bhoi signal a shifting political landscape in the district, with the party gaining momentum ahead of future electoral battles.
Kabenta jeki nong song jong sning constituency bat ikitu giba dakarsan bat Punjab dan Buram yang metasi isipo aja sanspa lai phongut inong karsan ki be jongi tinakaliang jonga maskopan penpau ba hakani upor kay bangin sale nang nismat ngin Buram ba yakara jong party bat ngin jikmu ba khmatam jong party kadai banwana ka sansar khadar ba khoi
agabakhadu ai kajing khoblai ko kerpang yakin nong kersan jong umroi konstitusi iblong ki kenrat jonga kumbangi la kren saki pajba bangi di sakri baki ki kenrat kai ko ba gi kwa melong ba kajing khoblai ko kerpang nadu ki barit do hadu ki behe khamtam yaki hep ki barit ki bakat bagi meeting ki ju ya perta ki hela apra kanai kalong ketak jong kajing kala ko ublai wa ibit ya kan ke parti jungi menjob akiwi kunsi bat naga umuroi kunsi
wilayah kurni kan election klaim bisa lekul persya ya kita kedon nak bor kedon bisa dari limba ke jalan nanti jomble ya Allah benjo kan kejinjak pada kita ya ai dengur ada yang sebentar yang boleh terakhir pada dalam nanti ini punya ke parti boleh nanti yang aru bukan lebih akan menolak pendem ya kejing pensai pak ya ki nomor ke parti juga kan ya ai kejing sampai basikan ya pak nomor syah.
A total of 15 sitting MDCs in the KJDC were defeated, while only 4 of the sitting MDCs were re-elected after the result were announced on Monday. Among sitting MDCs who were defeated are KJDC CM Pinyat Singh CM, who contested from North Mai constituency, former Deputy CM Pinshangan in CM from Maukar Pinthor Umkra constituency, KJDC Chairman Lamprang Bla, Balajit Rani Magdalene Maulong from Umsning, Rankansai Karbuki from Umroi, Lambor Malgyang from Nongkrem constituency, Ringkatlang Lindem, Michelle Wankar from Laban Mauprem constituency, Fanton J. Lakadong from Malki Laimkra, Taybordlang Pathau from Maulai constituency, Bats Cameron Tathyang from Mairang Nongklau, Jambor War from Paryong, Mauthatashan, and Karna Soshang from Maukarwai.
Duty ke jong nam san do chu te bede bukan diga landai ke kuat I bakin ya simti ke kamang tek number ini baka kam kan tin kan tek jam kam kan tek ham jam kan ban syuk min syuk kan diga wif karang ne tanpa perhat dari tambah to ya accept habras buram ya ka mandit gitu pai ba đó những cái bọc riêng gì đó và đi được những cái bậc hạnh cái này cái này cái này cái này cái là job cái này cái hatred politics cái đó
Seven out of the 19 women candidates who were in the fray in both KJDC and JADC polls were elected after the announcement of results today. The 4 women MDCs in the KJDC who were elected include sitting MDC NPP MDC Grace Mary Karpuri from Nongshken constituency, NPPs and former MDC Rona Kimdet from Nongpok constituency, and VPPs I Bandablin El Nonglait from Milium constituency and Deiti Majau from Laimkra Malki constituency. In the previous house, there were only 2 women MDCs in the KJDC, including Kapuri and former NPP MDC Magdalene Saukme Maulong, who lost from Umsning. Meanwhile, The 3 women MDCs who were elected in JHEDC include VPPs Devi Paya Titongper from Narpuk constituency and Laya Wanlam Jinghun Karyam from Minso Nongjungi constituency and former MDC Violet Lingdo from Rambrai Kleriat constituency. Interestingly, there was no women MDC in the previous house in the JHEDC.
Openly the surga yang ki wa kular ka wangau e pito ka yakini ka wada kular kana pipa ba igete open da ka kan da ta ta gino gino le ki bor yang ka partai do ni dan hi ite jin kular wa gio e pri narko kansi o in the furu ki pa ba o in ka different tar om yo chilen khamat ka different tar salam sar ya wara ki khanya ka narko constituency
scam na nisha kamat makiru kin sutu wangi di keju ke jat bandu wangi di kiru wala kiran kumta ngimdan e hlor ju ki mo ka de tangga jing slip of tongue place mo ka pa ki bakla hande yang scam pat banang nisha kamat minya intrei bante ke jat bandu ha banong ju ko hok mat ke jing shisha mo
ya ka jing kuble ka bakar pang e ka chonga ya ki dong chong chnong jong ka nong po constituency ki balai ka jing shania yang asai sisin pan itu kiba don ke jing shania yang kum kanong yalam ke jongki bat kum juru na ka benta ki coba ro kiba yo i chngai kiba kwa ke jing roi ke jing pa ba ke jing kala jong kanong po constituency.
UDP Chief Mitma Lingdo today joined in celebrating the victory of party candidate Equator Lingdo Nongrang at Mot Tirot Mission in Mairang. Nongrang defeated sitting MDC Batskem Rindathiang of the NPP by a margin of 6,636 votes and VPP candidate John Jeffrey Basayumot by a margin of 2,858 votes. A massive crowd, numbering in the tens of thousands, celebrated the electoral victory as the party president and the candidate delivered the congratulatory addresses.
Jangka parti nado arajatra hado menta jangka mairang circle berok away ada di parti medoslim walain don ha kejingla jong i panyakren ba nai kemensim ba kejing pensian jong i balawo kalau ini ikut ke parti berok away ba ya kayen kesam jong i Kebai judan ban ai di kersan dia dapat itu. Ai kublai ngam ne je katang iwe tuwe. Ya baro kita gikan basa. Ki leader ki balik bang campaign yang ada election. Keleng kisnong kat ki bala ban koi. Pakai yang terus tam jumpi. Ngayo kai tu so batiang atau so bobha akan kesini atas.
The Meghalaya Koch Association successfully concluded its 55th annual conference after 3 days of cultural festivities, social awareness sessions and literary discussions and open session. The event held from February 21st to 23rd witnessed participation from community leaders, scholars and dignitaries from various states and Nepal. The conference began with the release of a Koch audio album, Sona Kuchu, featuring vocals by Div Pratim Koch and lyrics by Kandarpal Koch. A souvenir, Champani, was released during the session. The second session highlighted inter-regional collaborations featuring representatives from Nepal, West Bengal and Assam. Discussions centered on strengthening ties between Koch communities across state and national borders. Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded was 16 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature recorded was 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 45%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature recorded was 8.7 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature recorded was 25 degrees Celsius. And the relative humidity is 67 degrees. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature recorded was 11 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature recorded was 20 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 45%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai says that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Voice of the People Party sweeps the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, secures 17 out of the 29 seats. The National People Party emerges as the single largest party in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, securing 13 out of the 29 seats. Sitting MDC stays defeat in the KHADC and the JHADC polls. Only 4 re-elected. Women representation in the KHADC and JHADC gets boosted. 7 women candidates out of 19 elected. Viewers, that's all we have for you today. Thank you and good night.